In the vastness of the cosmos, some stars shine brightly and predictably. But what happens when a star begins to dim in ways that defy explanation? This is the story of Tabby's star, also known as Chi-C 8462852, a star puzzling scientists and igniting debates. Imagine looking up at the night sky and stars begin to blink out. That's what we're dealing with when it comes to Tabby's star. So what makes Tabby's star so special? Well, it dims. But here's the kicker. It doesn't dim like anything we've ever seen before. The dimming of Tabby's star is erratic, with dips in brightness that vary. Sometimes it's a subtle flicker. Other times the star's luminosity drops by 22%. It's like the star is being randomly obscured by something big and unknown. Now, the first thing that comes to mind when we see a star dimming is, of course, an exoplanet. But Tabby's star's dimming events are far too substantial to be caused by a planet. Even a Jupiter-sized planet would only cause a dip of around 1%. And remember, we're talking about dips of up to 22% here. Whatever is causing this dimming is not your average planet. Naturally, this kind of bizarre stellar behavior sent astronomers into a frenzy. After its initial discovery by citizen scientists, Tabby's star became the astronomical equivalent of a celebrity, constantly hounded by telescopes from around the world. And guess what? The more we watched, the weirder it got. Not only did the star continue its unpredictable dimming, but new, even more baffling events were observed. The mystery of Tabby's star wasn't just enduring, it was deepening. One early hypothesis for the dimming was a massive dust cloud orbiting the star. A swirling cloud could block light, causing dimming, but there were problems with this theory. Infrared telescopes found no excess radiation. Now, you might be wondering where the name Tabby's star comes from. Well, it's named after Tabitha Boyajian, a brilliant astronomer who led the team that first noticed this star's peculiar behavior. The initial discovery of Tabby's star's strange dimming wasn't made by some seasoned astronomer peering through a giant telescope. It was actually made by citizen scientists participating in the Planet Hunters project. As if Tabby's star's bizarre dimming wasn't perplexing enough, astronomers digging through archival data uncovered something even more astonishing. Turns out this star has been acting up for over a century. By examining photographic plates of the sky dating back to the late 19th century, astronomers found evidence that Tabby's star has been gradually dimming over the past 100 years. This revelation added a whole new layer of complexity to the mystery. Remember how we talked about dust, absorbing visible light and re-emitting it as heat? If a massive dust cloud caused Tabby's star's dimming, we'd see a significant heat signature. But there's no such signature. Sensitive infrared telescopes found no excess heat. This weakens the dust cloud hypothesis and raises more questions. Desperate for an explanation, some astronomers proposed a rather outlandish idea: a massive swarm of comets orbiting Tabby's star. Now, comets are icy bodies that release gas and dust as they approach their star. Could a sufficiently large swarm of these icy interlopers be responsible for the dimming? While intriguing, this theory also has its share of problems. The sheer number of comets required to cause the observed dimming would be astronomical, no pun intended. Now, I know what you're thinking. Could the dimming of Tabby's star be caused by an alien megastructure? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? However, despite our best efforts, we haven't found any evidence to support this hypothesis. The SETI Institute pointed their radio telescopes at Tabby's star, listening for any telltale signs of artificial signals. And guess what? Nothing. You'd think that with all the telescopes pointed at Tabby's star, with all the data collected and analysed, we'd have some sort of answer by now. But the universe, it seems, loves to keep us guessing. In fact, instead of getting closer to solving the mystery, new observations have only deepened it. The dimming continues, as unpredictable and perplexing as ever. Let's delve a bit deeper into the nature of Tabby's star's dimming. As we've established, it's not your average run-of-the-mill dimming. Some dimming events are relatively minor, causing a dip in brightness of just a few percent. Others, however, are much more dramatic, with the star's luminosity plummeting by as much as 22%. It's like the star is being obscured by something that's constantly changing in size and shape. Now, one of the most baffling aspects of Tabby's star's dimming is the complete lack of periodicity. In astronomy, periodicity is our friend. It helps us make sense of the cosmos. Planets orbit stars with a predictable period. Binary stars eclipse each other with a regular rhythm. But Tabby's star, it's playing by its own set of rules. There's no discernible pattern to the dimming events. The mystery of Tabby's star is so compelling that it even caught the attention of the SETI Institute, the organization dedicated to searching for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. So, SETI turned their powerful Allen telescope array towards Tabby's star, listening intently for any telltale signs of artificial radio signals. But alas, the results were disappointing, at least for those hoping for alien contact. SETI found no evidence of radio signals coming from Tabby's star. We've already touched upon the dust cloud hypothesis, but it's worth revisiting given the star's continued erratic behavior. While a large dust cloud could, in theory, cause the dimming we observe, the lack of a corresponding infrared signature makes this scenario increasingly unlikely. If a massive dust cloud were obscuring Tabby's star, we'd expect to see a significant amount of infrared radiation coming from that region of space, but we don't. Tabby's star isn't just an isolated anomaly in a vast universe, it's a main sequence star like our Sun. Kepler data shows no other stars with dimming patterns like Tabby's star. This phenomenon is incredibly rare. In an attempt to unlock the secrets of Tabby's star, astronomers have employed a technique known as polarimetry. By studying the polarization of light from a distant object, we can glean information about the matter it has interacted with. In the case of Tabby's star, astronomers were hoping that polarization measurements might reveal clues about the nature of the material blocking the star's light. However, the results of these polarization studies have been inconclusive. Despite years of intensive study, countless observations and numerous hypotheses put forth, the truth behind Tabby's star's bizarre behavior remains shrouded in mystery. We've ruled out many possibilities, but a definitive explanation remains elusive. It's not an exoplanet, it's unlikely to be a dust cloud, and there's no evidence of an alien megastructure. So, what is it? The answer, my friends, is that we simply don't know. The mystery surrounding Tabby's star is captivating and sparked a crowdfunding campaign to secure more observing time. People around the world contributed to support further research. This highlights the power of curiosity and the allure of the unknown. Thanks to these citizen scientists, observations continue. Some speculate that the dimming of Tabby's star could be caused by a nearby black hole. Could a black hole be gravitationally lensing its light and causing the dimming? There's no evidence to support this idea. Astronomers haven't found any signs of a black hole around Tabby's star. Tabby's star, beyond its scientific mystery, is a catalyst for debate and discussion. It reignites conversations about alien life, the limits of our cosmic understanding, and the vast unknown. A universe full of wonders, many beyond our grasp. Embrace the unknown, question assumptions, and never stop exploring. The true cause of Tabby's star's mysterious behavior remains unknown. With each new observation, we inch closer to unraveling this cosmic mystery. Could it be a natural phenomenon or something extraordinary? Tabby's star reminds us the universe holds secrets beyond our imaginations. Keep watching the skies. The answers may be out there.